Welcome to Opportunity Launch. Coach Mark here, and hopefully you've had a chance to look around the website and be able to find a lot of value that you have in order to be able to market your business, whatever that business might be. I've created Opportunity Launch with that namesake for just that purpose to help you launch your business, whatever that is. Having the tools that not only you need, but the ability to give them to your team members as well so that you can grow a large network of members that you have a relationship with online in order to build a business. So now I want to share with you the power of the tool that we have that is second to none in regards to what we call the upgrade membership. And so when you have a free account here, what you have is lots of pages, as you know, and capture pages, plus your free autoresponder. Do want to make sure that you are aware that you do have automatic messages going out for you for free for every person that fills out any of the capture pages. So what you want to do is set up your free autoresponder, and just simply clicking on autoresponder, you see that a letter will go out actually every 7 days after a person verifies their email and as soon as they register. And all you simply have to do is click the edit button on each of those areas and just add your own subject message. And this is a good area not to promote your actual business link, but actual to promote yourself and the support you can provide them, asking them to contact you. That's what you want to do in an autoresponder versus, pitch any particular deal. That will keep them opening the messages when they don't feel that it's just the same pitch and video that you're doing. So set up your autoresponder. And now, so you have these pages, which is a product that we have called Viral Marketing Assistance, where we do the marketing for you, actually for a whole block of time for a year, 12 months, to get you on the first pages of Google and your search engine media out there. That's only $25 a month, but you do pay annually for that. So we have capture pages for that product as well. And company capture pages are the different online opportunities for thousands of companies. We've got thousands of pages already done for you. And those pages, you're able to just click on company pages here, and then you're going to wait until your browser updates. When your browser updates, it's going to update all the thousands of pages, and then this search bar is going to appear. So it'll take a couple of seconds. And all you simply do is just put in anything from, Amway to Mary Kay, and you'll see we have some done for you pages. Certainly, we can't continue to update every single company as they change their comp plans or videos or things like that. So we try to keep the most, newest and current companies that are newly launching that people are, just starting to market for the first time. We put those capture pages in place, and we just try to do one for each company. If that video or content is not updated or so forth, you have the ability to create unlimited capture pages with this system. So that way you can always keep your marketing relevant. And that's what we want to share with you today in what's called the upgrade request. This is the product that you get for a value of only $59 one time. You will never need another marketing system again to present any business opportunity, even if the company doesn't have a website, as we're going to share with you here today. So when you upgrade, you'll have an expanded toolbar of tools. So I'm going to log out of this free account and log into an upgraded account. And then you'll immediately see the difference there right at the top. You have an option of looking at your downline because we do give you a commission for that one-time $59. So it doesn't matter if you choose paid or free. The buttons are still going to be the same even if you chose free when you log in. So now you have this expanded toolbar here where it says add new pages. And this is the product that you've purchased that allows you to have this very unique, diverse, and growing templates of different styles of capture pages that are the easiest, as you'll see. So I'm going to give you an example first, just a picture background. And a picture background, when you just click on it, it takes you right to the editor, and you just scroll down to the bottom and hit preview. You can do this on any capture page so you can kind of see how it functions. So you see this one is a dynamic high definition picture. with a registration form, because sometimes the company doesn't even have a website yet. You've gotten in so early on the ground floor that maybe all they have is a conference call that they're talking about, and they don't even have a website for you to register people. This gives you the early bird advantage because you can start actually building your team with that information, whether it's a logo or type of information or picture that you have or PowerPoint. You can grab something like that and make a capture page out of it. So let me show you how this capture page tool, as I close this. If you ever click on preview and it doesn't pop up, that means you have a pop-up blocker, and in the upper right corner of your browser you want to click and allow pop-ups. So you want to give it a name. We're just going to call it Pre-Launch Company. It's going to be our example today. And over here to the right of the background image where you saw the car, you simply just click on this little picture image, and we have over 750 high definition capture pages to date, and our background pictures that we're adding. So your browser is going to load those, and those pictures will start populating on the left side as your browser uploads those. Simply change this from just viewing 10 at a time to 100 at a time, and instantly you're able to scroll down and look at the high definition pictures that are there. And very simply, at any time, you can choose anyone that you like just by hitting the select button over to the right side. And once you get down to the bottom, then you actually can go to another set of 100. So you can really, go and look and see exactly what type of picture that you want to use. So it's very simple, very easy. Just go to the right side, hit select. That fills in that particular page, and then just hit preview again, and instantly you've got another high definition type of picture that you're able to use for your marketing. And you can change that as many times. Just go back to the same view, change it to 100. If you want to go down to the bottom and switch it to uh, the page 2 for the other 200 views at a time, you can do so. But again, all of these are done for you, pictures and images. So another feature that you can also do, which a lot of people take advantage of, is you can actually find your own pictures. So you don't have to just use the ones that we have. What you can simply do is I'm going to open up another browser at the top, and I'm going to search for luxury homes. And I'm going to click on images to go to Google Images for luxury homes. And the high definition picture ones, under the search toolbar, you want to go to the larger than 2MP. So larger than 2MP, and then this is where you have these houses and so forth that just really pop, and you can choose any type of picture that you want, and just click on view image. This is going to actually give you the URL link of that picture. You just simply go back, you can just take the picture out that's in there, and then you're able to use any picture right from Google. This gives you a lot of diversity. You can go search for the company name, the pre-launch company name, and grab one of their images and use that. Again, anything on Google, there's public domain. All the images are there. As long as you're not taking a picture and putting it on a product that you're selling, then there are no real copyright infringements. You can use these pictures for blogs and texts and everything else, but you cannot use it on the label of an actual product. So all we're doing is doing marketing and using picture backdrop and so forth. Therefore, all of these things are completely legal. If you ever have a question on yourself, on the type of picture that you're using, all you simply do on the search tools at the top, it says user rights. You can change the user rights at any time. So when you change that label or so forth, it will then give you the security of knowing that whatever picture like this one we have in the system already is completely safe for you. And remember, they're going to contact the domain owner about any infringements, not the marketers. So we have not in 2 years had any particular issue with any of the pages or marketings that we're using. So no problems there. So this was just a simple picture capture page, and that's what it says above it, picture with form on the right. So you can see we have different types of templates. So this one's YouTube video with an iPhone. So you have an iPhone player here. YouTube video with the Samsung. So let me show you how easy it is to also add a video to the picture. When you click on the editor, once again, now you have your background. We're going to just use the same pre-launch company. And we're going to just preview it so we can kind of look and see exactly how the default looks. So once again, we give you a default background picture that you can use. If you want to just put a video in place, you can do so. And what we're going to do is just use our same picture that we have of the chairs, but now we're going to add video. So now I'm going to go out to YouTube. And we were talking about pre-launch companies, so I'm just going to use anything random that comes up for an example. So, Radiantly use, oh, we have this company. I'm going to pause the video. We don't need to use it. We go down to the share code and the embed code. And in the embed code, you're not going to use the whole code like you would in a website. You're just going to use this particular link. In between the quotations, the HTTP actual address that has the word embed in it, as you see. This eliminates the commercials. And now we go right back, and now you have below the background area, you have the video area. You simply put that video in that area and hit preview, and now you've got any video that you want from YouTube to use for marketing, any background that you want, and there's still more diversity that you can do. So you can see the power of this upgrade product, because you can make unlimited pages, and everyone that fills out this form goes into that 7-day automatic autoresponder. Plus you get an email notification of everyone who fills out this, and I'll show you where your leads are located. So here's another thing that you can do. We call this top scrolling. This leverages the power of the website, creates a lot of moving across the screen so that people see that, wow, your opportunity looks like it's definitely got momentum going for it. And it's real time. When a person fills out this form, their name becomes in the front of the scrolling list, so they know that these are actual real names and not, just system generated names. So relax with us. You can put a sub kind of message above your picture. Register and join our winning team. I'm going to make that bold, and I'm actually going to increase it in size a little bit. So you can see these two areas. When I hit preview, this is relax with us, where I put that, and this is join our winning team. We've got the scrolling, we've got a custom background, all very, very simple. But now also the $59 one-time upgrade allows you to do something even better. Once a person fills out this form, they're going to go to what we call the after registration page. When you click on this button here, another editor comes up and another button comes out for preview. The after preview page, this is the page that they go to once they fill out the form. Congratulations, verify your email for access. But also here is a video that shows them the value of the free Opportunity Launch platform and the capture pages that they can start using, the free autoresponder, free contact manager, social builder. It shows them everything that they also received by registering with the form, so they understand why they're getting an email from Opportunity Launch and not from the Radiantly You company. But you can tie them in together, because you can actually put the same or another video. Sometimes you have people that want people to see one video first and then see another video second. So you can do that here, where they see your first video when they fill out the capture page, and then after they register and they come to the other side, you can add again the second video. You can also add a third or fourth, if you want them to see a series of videos, which will show up below this area. Down in this area is what will show up before the congratulations and verify your email. Now, in this area down here below is where you can also put the link to your website. And this is where they can click and join your opportunity directly in this area. Also, you could put your own profile. You can put your contact information and all that. So this customization area on the back end is very powerful also with helping to convert. If you wanted to use a third video, this is where you would use like the whole iframe embed code in the emails. I just want to show you that for example in training here. This is called the source code. This allows you to put in code because you actually can build a whole website down here or embed a whole website or email template or whatever you want to do, newsletter. And so with that code, you see it has the iframe box there. I'm going to center it and preview it again. So now below, you see you can add more videos, you can add more content and words. You can even embed your whole website down there so that way they can go right there and register and join and those types of things. So you can see a very, very powerful tool with the website builder, but the more you go down, the more details there are, the more dynamics there are that allow you to do so many different things. I do want to share this unique one as well that we have that's different from all others, which we call the video background. So with this one here, you now have, instead of a background image, you have a background for the video, which you can also mute the sound out. This allows you to go and grab any type of, background scene. So we'll say beach scene. And I'm going to mute this out. Pause it. We don't need that. And I'm just going to embed. And again, I don't need the whole video link. Just need that. I'm going to put that as my background. So now I've got a video as a background and I've got it muted. And I'm going to still go grab the
Hi, my name is
presentation for my pre-launch company. Just show you how easy and quick this is. Place that in. And I can choose, do I want to use a flat screen, iPhone, iPad. I'm going to use an iPad for my player. So the further down you go, the more opportunities you have or variations that you have. I'm not going to do that again. I just want to show you the main screen. So this is where you make stunning capture pages that are more dynamic than what anyone else in the company is using, which makes people want to be drawn to you and to what you're providing as a marketing tool for them to market with you. And remember, you can market unlimited amount of companies with this tool. That's why it's so valuable. One time $59, no monthly fee, and also we reward you with a compensation plan for anyone that you refer that also upgrades to the tool. When those people fill out those forms, not only do you get an email, but in this area that's called My Friend is your free contact manager. So here is where it keeps all of your leads. So you can actually see which page they registered on, their phone number, email address, and whether they verify their email and how many people they've referred. So got a lot of more tools, obviously not time to cover, but I wanted to explain definitely to you the power of the upgrade for the one-time $59. We do take Bitcoin, we take Google Wallet, so you're able to send those directly. Once you make your purchase, you want to click on payment confirmation and confirm again, with how you did your payment, with whatever transaction ID, I sent payment by Google Wallet or so forth, and then we will give you access to your product and upgrade. So you see these different diverse payment options down here, $59 one time, and you can even go to a local Wells Fargo bank and drop it in. We've got our address and information also available for you to do so. So looking forward to seeing your dynamic capture pages and the things that you're making. I tell you, it's a lot of fun once you start having this, but you'll never need another system again. Again, welcome to Opportunity Launch. Coach Mark here. If you ever need any support or any questions, feel free to give me a call, or you can connect with me on Skype, username Pastor Brewer. All right, bye now.